In this video, I'll be going to show you how to add music in Canva. The method we'll be using is very simple and will be clearly described in this video. Subscribe to this channel for future solutions to all of your digital problems. If this video helped you out, please like the video and leave a comment down below. First, what you guys need to do is you're going to open up a project in Canva where you want to add music to. Now you're going to select the video canvas and open up your editor right here, and you need to upload the video you want to edit or the video you have created. In my case, I have this video right here where I want to add music. So as you can see, it's just a simple video and I want to add music. So for that, we have to go to apps right here. In apps, you have to just scroll down a little bit to find more from Canva. And here we have photo, video, background chart, and audio option. So here you will find the audio option. So you can see we also have the audio option right here under our projects. But if you cannot find it right here, you're gonna click on apps and then scroll down a little bit and you will find more from Canva. And here you will find music. So I'm gonna go to the audio right here, audio or music. It's going to be something like this with this name. Then it'll take you to the audio section, and here you can see that we have a lot of sounds and music to choose from, and you will be able to find different kinds of genres. We have different moods, and you will get free music as well as paid ones. So you can see there are a lot of free music available as well if you do not have Canva Pro. While here, you can actually listen to the music before selecting it. For instance, this one right here, Foreign. So I will select this audio, and in order to add it, you just have to select it and it's added in your video. You will be able to see the timestamp right here of the music just under your video. It will also show you where it has been added in what scene. So I want to add it to the first scene right here. So I'm going to adjust it right here and place it in the beginning from right here, and it will be added like this. Make sure you place your cursor where you want to add the music. So now I have this music right here in my first slide. And if I play it for you guys, this is what it'll look like. I can also click on these three dots to adjust the volume of the track. So I'm going to actually reduce the volume a little bit. So let's just take it down a little bit so it's not too loud. And I can also add different effects to the audio or delete the track if that's what I want to do. So that's pretty much it. That was how to add music in Canva. I hope that I got to help you out with this video. Please don't forget to give this video a like and leave us a comment down below if you have any suggestions for videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.